Hey guys, this is Ajay Singh. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to answer the most trending question, that is how to learn to code. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about coding. Coding is something that is used to perform a specific task. Here we are talking about programming language. The way we design our program is known as coding, and that program is used for a specific task. Step 1. Ask yourself, why do you want to learn to code? Your answer may be because you wanna make your own messenger like WhatsApp, or social networking like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Or maybe you wanna create your own operating system like Windows, Android, or iOS. Or you wanna boost up your rank in the company where you work, or maybe you wanna be that guy in your friend circle who can do anything with the computer. Step 2. Choose the right programming language. There are a lot of programming languages in our world, and every language has its own special purpose. Let's take example of some most popular programming languages like HTML, CSS, JS. They are used to create websites. Java, C++, they are used to create web applications, games, etc. And the most trending programming language, Python, which is easy to use, and anyone who can read and write English language can learn Python. Today's trending technology, AI, is based on Python programming. You can create your own virtual assistant like Siri, Alexa. Interesting, right? Tech giants like Google, IBM, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, all are using Python. Check out my Python series, which is made for beginners. Step 3. Go for online courses. So many websites are providing courses on programming or coding, from which you can learn and implement your code at the same time. You can take online course on Coursera or Udemy, where you can get paid and free courses, also with the completion certificate. Step 4. Get a book. Having a book of that programming language which you want to learn will give you benefit on choosing topics or reading topics before actually taking online course. You can get an ebook through various sources. Every book contains some special problem solving questions and methods at the end of the chapter, which will improve your way of problem solving. Step 5. Check out some special contests. Participating in contests which are based on programming language is beneficial for your growth as programmer. You can check websites like HackerRank, CodeChef, and HackerEarth for daily and interesting contests. If you will end the contest with the top 3 or top 10 position, they will give you rewards too. Step 6. Watch videos about coding. Watching videos about coding on YouTube will help you, because you will get to know how other programmers do coding and how they improve their coding. You will learn a lot from their experiences. Step 7. Practice with personal projects. Find out some beginner level projects on Google and try to implement them in your way. Remember, practice with those projects which are based on the programming language that you are learning. Step 8. Google your error messages. When you will start coding on your own, you will get stuck many times between the programming due to errors. So how to solve those errors? Just copy paste your error messages on Google and you will get the solution, because many programmers before you were also stuck somewhere due to those errors, and when they solved them, they posted the solution of those errors. Hope this video will help you on learning the coding. Follow these 8 steps and tell me in the comment section your views on how to learn to code. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon for future updates.